If you take a look at this right here, this person from the United States is earning $323,000 right now with this platform. You can see this person from India earning $329,000, and this person from the United Kingdom earning $304,000. If you keep on scrolling through this page, you'll be able to see a lot of people are making a lot of money with this platform right now. And you can maximize your earnings with another cool and amazing platform where a lot of people are also earning a lot of money right now. As you can see, you'll be earning money in two ways with this strategy I'm going to be revealing to you in this video. But before you actually head on to learning this strategy, you also need to note that for this to work, you'll have to be hardworking. You need to work hard because a lot of people might actually see this video and they're going to simply conclude that it is not going to work. Because there are actually two types of people. They are the lazy people and the people that see obstacles and go on to overcoming them with hard work. So, you need to be hardworking for this particular strategy on overcoming your challenges head-on. Be kind of persistent with what you do and you'll be able to make a lot of money with this strategy right now. If you're new to my channel right here, I generally create videos on ways to make money online. If you like such content, you can hit the like button to the video. Subscribe to the channel, and turn your notification bell on to always get alerted whenever I drop new content to help you boost your income online. With that being said and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the strategy of today. So, the first platform which you saw earlier that a lot of people are making money from various countries around the world right now is this particular platform called Design Crowd. This is an amazing platform which a lot of individuals are utilizing. You can see right now that you can gain access to the platform from any country around the world. This is a platform for people that design cool and amazing stuff as they can just simply go on to competing for some certain jobs. You can see that these are different users from different countries earning some cool amount of money right now from this particular platform. And you can see right now that it is actually going to work right here. You can go on to searching for specific designers, you can check out for categories, you can filter based on country or based on earnings, and you're going to see that this is actually going to work right now. You can just simply come on to the job section. You can go on to searching for the logo designs job. And if you actually do search for logo design jobs, guys, you can see some job openings right now that you can apply for personally. After applying for that and you get accepted for that or go on to sending them your logo and your logo gets picked, you're just simply going to earn this particular amount which is 110 euros. As you can see, this challenge is actually available for the next 6 days, and about 57 designs have been sent for this, as you can see from 35 designers. So you need to just simply create some cool designs for this right now. You may be wondering, how do you create a design even though you're not a graphic designer? Even though you're not skilled in such kind of niche or discipline? You can still do this particular job and actually make money with this particular stuff right now. And how do you do that, guys? You just need to head on to cool and amazing tools out there like Leonardo AI. If you're not familiar with Leonardo AI is a very cool AI tool that you can use to generate cool and amazing images. As you can see right here on the homepage of Leonardo AI, these are all cool images that were generated with the help of this AI tool just by giving it a simple description. You can also do that right now. Or you may want to just simply stick on with ChatGPT because ChatGPT actually has a new feature called the GPT 4.0 that has actually been available for about a week ago right now. And you can just simply utilize that. Maybe I'm just going to go on to focusing on a specific trade right now or a specific job tax right here. If I do click on this, which you may actually do go on to clicking on that, you'll see more details about this particular job right here. You can see the logo text should actually be this, Crystal Memories. Here are other details of how the logo should be like. So all you need to do is to get information on how you need the logo to be from this particular section which logo design brief. Copy the text, and I'm going to head on to ChatGPT right now and give ChatGPT a simple prompt. So what I did right here was to ask ChatGPT this prompt which says, please, can you create a logo for my business? And you can see right now ChatGPT says, of course I can help guide you through creating a logo. Please provide some details about your business to get started. You can see the business name you need to provide that, the industry, the style. Let me show you a simple logo I created with the help of ChatGPT. I just asked GPT to create a simple logo design for a gym and make the color of the logo blue. You can see what ChatGPT did right now from gym to fitness right here, and also a description of the logo underneath it. So you want to make sure you give ChatGPT a very cool and detailed description of how you want your image to be, and tell ChatGPT will give you a very cool image right now. Then you just need to head back to that particular platform called Design Crowd right here to submit this right now. And if you want to post this project right here, as you can see, you actually need to sign up to the platform. After signing up, you can then post this particular project and become one of the participants to this to earn this particular amount, which is $150 right here. So that's absolutely cool. There are a lot of other cool jobs or cool tasks which you can focus on also and make some cool cash with this platform called Design Crowd. You may be wondering, how do you actually maximize this? You can maximize this right now with this other platform right here called School.com. And this is a platform that allows individuals to create simple and amazing communities. Now, imagine guys, you're actually one of the persons from the designer section that made a lot of money. Now you can see this person from India that made about $568,000. This person from United Kingdom that made this $2.5 million right now. So imagine you actually made some cool cash right now, just like this person that made $421,000. Imagine you are able to do this particular strategy and make something quite similar to this. You can then create a community on this particular platform called School. And if you create a community, all you just need to do is to show them how you made this amount right here. Because since this actually works for you and people are seeing that this works for you, a lot of people will be interested in learning that right now. And you're also going to be making money from School via the amount of engagement you're getting on your community. Now you can just simply take a look at this community right now. This is just a simple community that shows people how to actually get 6-packs right now. Now if you open that particular community right now, you can see the details about the community, which is the anime shred. As you can see, when you enter the dojo, you gain access to community like-minded individuals focusing on mobilizing on mobility, aesthetics, functionality, and biohacking, and longevity. So you can see much more details about this right now. This is just a simple tutorial or a simple community that shows you how to actually gain such kinds of 6-packs or anime shreds. You can also check out other communities. Some communities are actually teaching people how to cut hair or how to just simply do some simple stuff right now. You can see different communities right here. Make sure you create a community after making some cash with the Design Crowd to show people how you made such cash utilizing AI tools. And you can maximize your income and earn from both Design Crowd and School.com using just this simple strategy. So you're going to be earning in 2 ways, and this is going to be amazing right now. Maybe when you actually do get your logo designs, you can go on this particular platform right here called remove.bg, remove the background, and you can also send that to that particular platform or the owners of the specific task to make some money if your design actually wins the competition. So I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button to the video. Make sure you check out my channel because I regularly create videos on ways to make money online. Also, hit the like button to the video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.